Hi kids, welcome to our virtual classroom. This is Mansi Bhosle, your mentor for physics and maths. Hope you had liked my last video. We dealt with speed, time and distance related problems. Today we are going to deal with geometrical figures related problems. Okay, so as I told you in the last class, we would be dealing with rectangular fields, square fields, triangular fields, and according to the situation either we'll have to find out the length, breadth or height. Let's see, we'll study three types of problems over here. Okay, so the first question says that in the adjoining figure quadrilateral ABCD, it's a trapezium. Okay. First of all, what is a trapezium? A trapezium is a quadrilateral in which only one pair of opposite sides is parallel. So as you can see over here, AB and BC are the parallel sides. Okay, so what they have given is, first of all, in such type of problems, it's very important to understand what is given and what is to be found out, right? So quadrilateral ABCD, it is a trapezium wherein AB is parallel to CD and its area is 33 centimeters square. Okay, the entire area of the trapezium has been given. From the information given in the figure, find the length of all the sides of ABCD, right? So that means, and they have given us the sides as well. So as from the figure, we know that AB is given as X, and it shows that these sides shows that ABC is equal to AD, BC equal to AD, which is equal to X minus 2. Now CD is given as 2x plus 1. CD is 2x plus 1. And AM, if you see, AM seems to be perpendicular to CD. So AM will be the height, where whatever is the perpendicular, that's the height. So AM is equal to X minus 4. Okay, this is the situation. What is given? Area of the trapezium is given. Okay, do you remember what is the formula for area of a trapezium? Okay, yes, area of a trapezium is always equal to half into height of the trapezium into sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides, yes. So now area of trapezium is given, that's 33 centimeters square, which is equal to half. And what's the height? Height is AM. Height, what is height? Height would be AM into sum of parallel sides. So AB and DC are my parallel sides, into AB plus DC. So let us substitute. So therefore half into what is AM? AM is X minus 4 into AB plus CD. What is AB? AB is X plus 2X plus 1 equal to 33. What I'll do, I'll take this X2 over here. Okay, so now this becomes X minus 4 into X plus 2X will be 3X plus 1 equal to 2 into 33 equal to 66. Okay, so now let us multiply these brackets and form a quadratic equation. Okay, so after solving this bracket, what we got over here is this, the required quadratic equation is this 3x square minus 11x minus 70. So if you see, if I have to do this by splitting up the middle term, 73 is 210, right? And if I want to do this by splitting up the middle term, minus 11x, so 210, so 21 and 10, 21 into 10 will give me 210, and minus 21 plus 10 will give me minus 11. So I have solved the quadratic according to splitting of the middle term, and the factors that I'm getting is either x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 10 by 3. Obviously, what is your x? Your x is side. Sides cannot be negative. So what we'll do, this value is discarded as sides cannot be negative. You need to specify the reason. As x is side of the trapezium, sides cannot be negative. Hence, we will discard x is equal to minus 10 by 3. So what are we remaining with? We are remaining with x. Hence, x is equal to 7 centimeters, right? If x is 7 centimeters, now we can find out all the sides, right? So what was first side? AB was equal to x, now that is equal to 7 centimeter itself. BC, the two equal sides, BC was equal to AD, which was equal to x minus 2, so that's 7 minus 2, so that is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, and CD was the base, which was 2x plus 1, so 2 into 7 plus 1, 7 to the 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, so this is 15 centimeters. So hence the sides of the trapezium are 7, 5, 15 and 5 respectively. Okay, understood? Fine, let's proceed. Okay, second type of question, it says it's a rectangular field. Okay, you can see this is a rectangular field. Let us name this rectangular field as, A, B, C, D. Okay, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Okay, now I need to draw a diagonal. If you see, if I join AC, I would be having my diagonal, and what is my shortest side? My shorter side is AB. So let the shorter side of the rectangular field be X. Now they have given that the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So it is 30 meters more, so it would be X plus 30. And the diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So AC being the diagonal, it is 60 meters more. So X plus 60. Now, if you observe, this is a rectangle, and a rectangle will always have each angle as 90 degrees, right? So can I say that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle? Okay, so we'll say that triangle ABC with angle B is equal to 90 degree. In triangle ABC, with angle B as 90 degree, what we can use whenever we deal with a right angle triangle, we will apply Pythagoras theorem, right? So in triangle ABC, angle B being 90 degree, therefore by Pythagoras theorem, we know that side 1 square plus side 2 square is equal to hypotenuse square. So AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So that's X square. So that's X square plus X plus 30 whole square equal to X plus 60 whole square. Okay, this is the situation that we have got. Now let us expand the brackets and let us form this into a quadratic equation. So the required equation after opening up the brackets we get is x square minus 60x minus 2700. Okay, so now by splitting up the middle term, we know that 9 3s is 27. Okay, and minus 9 plus 3 will give me minus 6. Okay, so now let us split this minus 60 like that. So this is my required equation is x square minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. So therefore x square minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 equal to 0. So after solving the quadratic, the factors which I get is x minus 90 into x plus 30 equal to 0. So obviously x is either equal to 90 or x is equal to minus 30. Now what is x? X is a side of a rectangular field. So can x be negative? No, x cannot be negative. So we will discard this particular value of minus 30. Hence, what is x? X is 90 meters. So we can say that the shorter side, what was the shorter side we assume to be? The shorter side we assume to be x. Shorter side of the rectangular field is equal to 90 meters. The longer side, how much was the longer side? The longer side was 30 more than the shorter side. So longer side will be 90 plus 30, so that's 120 meters. Now as far as the diagonal is concerned, diagonal was 60 more than the shorter side, so diagonal will be 90 plus 60, so that's 150 meters. Understood? So this way we can proceed with the problem, right? Let us go with the next one. Now this says Mr. Dinesh owns an agricultural farm at village Talwal. The length of the farm is 10 meters more than 2 times the breadth, that is twice the breadth. In order to harvest rainwater, he dug a square shaped pond inside the farm. Okay, now before this, first of all, let us draw the length and breadth of the agricultural farm. So, let this be the rectangular farm. Length of the farm is 10 meter more than 2 times the breadth. So first of all, what we'll do, let the breadth of the farm, okay, breadth be equal to x meters. So if this is x, what is the situation that they have given? It is 10 more than twice the breadth. So this would be 2x plus 10. So according to the situation, the length of the farm becomes 10 more than 2 times the breadth, 2x plus 10 meters again. Okay. Order to harvest rainwater, he dug a square-shaped pond inside the farm. Now he's digging, and the pond is 1/3 of the breadth of the farm. Area of the farm is 20 times the area of the pond. Find the length. Okay. Now he is digging up a square shaped pond. This is the pond. Okay, it's a square. The side of the square is 1/3 of the breadth. 1/3 of the breadth, that means side of the, it is x by 3. This one is also x by 3. Now what is the situation that they have given us for the area? Area of the farm is 20 times the area of the pond. This is very important. Area of farm is 20 times area of pond. Okay. The area of farm. Farm is what? Farm is rectangular in shape. So what's the area of a rectangle? It's length into breadth. So we have length, we have breadth. So that is x into 2x plus 10 equal to 20. Area of pond. Pond is square shaped and area of square is side into side. So this would be x by 3 whole square. That's side square. Okay. So now let us just expand this. So this will be 2x square plus 10x equal to 20x square upon 9. So I'll take this 9 over here. So this would be 9 2s is 18, right? So if you observe, if we take this 9 over to LHS, it will become 18x square, 9 times that's 90x equal to 20x square. I bring this 20x square again to the LHS, it's 18x square minus 20x square, and take this 90 over here minus 90x. Okay, so this will be minus 2x square minus 90x, minus will cancel. Again 1x and 1x will cancel. So what are we left with? We are left with 2x is equal to 90. Hence x is equal to 40. Now, what was our x? What do we have to find? We have to find the length and breadth of the farm and the pond, right? So we have got the value of x. We can find out the rest now. X is 45 meters. So what was x? X was breadth. So as far as the dimensions for farm is concerned, the breadth is 45 meters and the length was 2x, so 2 into 45, 90, 90 plus 10, so that's 100 meters. And as far as the pond is concerned, pond was, the side of the pond was x by 3, so your x is 45, 45 divided by 3, so the pond is 15 meters. Side of the worm, it is square shape, so they basically, it is 15 into 15. Understood? Okay. Next, we have our episode 6.6, which will be dealing with work done related problems. Okay, individual work done. For example, we have like two persons. One is doing this much amount of work in 3 days. Another one is doing the same amount of work in 5 days. And if both of them work together, how much time they will take to complete the entire work? It would be like that. Okay, so stay tuned. Thank you.